array of strings in C++. See, we said in C programming that strings in C is nothing but array of characters. It is nothing but array of characters. Same definition holds in C++ as well. Any string, if you want to define, it is nothing but a array of characters. Now, I am talking about array of strings. It means generally array of characters means like this. If I have a string hello, HELLO, H comes here, E, L, L and O and a null character, right. So, this way I can have a string yes. So, I am holding here, each character is stored in an array like this. In array of strings what we do, we will have a here this box, this first box will hold, let us take some example. Suppose I have strings hello, hi, good evening. I have 4 words here. Indirectly I mean to say I have 4 strings here like this. Okay, I have 4 strings hello, hi, good evening, right. Now, like array of characters forming your string, we can also form array of strings. It means you will hold a separate array like this with 4, where the starting address of this H will be kept here 100, the starting address of this H, let it be 200, the starting address of this G, that is 300, and the starting address of this E, 400 will be stored here. It means this string is linked into this box, this is linked here, this is linked here and linked here. Like this we are having array of strings. Okay, I will show you some examples and let us see, right. In C++, a string is usually a array of characters that ends with null character. This we already know, right. A string is a one-dimensional array of characters. String is a one-dimensional array of characters. Okay. An array of string is a two-dimensional array of characters. Array of string is a two-dimensional string array of characters. Understood, right? When you say string, it is one-dimensional array of characters. When you say array, it is two-dimensional array of characters. Array of string means two-dimensional array of characters. Okay. There are different ways to create it. One using pointers, second one using two-dimensional arrays, third one using string class. We will see how do we create the array of strings. When we see example, you will understand it better. First one, creating array of strings using pointers. See this example. See, I think you are aware of, we have solved so many problems in pointer with arrays. I can have int star p like this. Okay, I can create like this. What is this p of 4? P of 4 is a pointer array. It is a pointer array where in each box I will be storing the address. I will be storing address of some 4 elements, some 4 different elements. Okay, if there exists int a of 4, then array has 1, 2, 3, 4 for example, then those 1, 2, 3, 4's address are stored in this pointer array p. Right, it will hold 100, this will hold 104, 108, 112. Why? This array of 4 contains 4 elements, 10, 20, 30 and 40. Each one address beginning with 100, 104, 108, 112. So, you are trying to create a pointer array or array of pointers, right? Array of pointers we say there, right? So, this P is an array of pointer where I am storing address of 4 different elements. In the same way, sorry, you can create array of string. Okay, you can create array of string. See here, character star color of 4. What is the meaning of this? This means color is an array variable. It's an array variable with 4 elements. It's an array variable with 4 elements, that I know, with this 4 and with this name of the variable. And star is kept here, means these 4 array variables are pointer variables. These 4 array variables are pointer variables. Okay, it means I will be storing some addresses here. Whose address I will be storing? See, 0, 1, 2, 3. In C of 0, color of 0 will hold the starting address of this string. Color of 1 will hold starting address of this red. Color of 2 will hold starting address of orange. Color of 3 will hold starting address of yellow. Array of strings. You can create it using a pointer. You can create a pointer array where each address will point to first string. So, this address here, C of 0 will hold the address of B. The address of this character B will be kept in this C of 0. Same way, address of R will be kept in C of 1, color of 1. Address of O will be kept in color of 2, and so on. This way, you can create an array of strings. How do we print it? It is normal. See, I0, I less than 4, I plus plus, color of 0. When you write color of 0, you get there blue as the answer. You get blue as the answer, not B but everything, blue as the answer, because you are giving the starting address. You are giving the starting address. So, blue starting address if you give, answer will be blue. That way it will print you blue, red, orange, yellow, all 4 will be printed. Okay, this is one way of creating array of strings. I hope you got an idea. We are trying, like in integers, we are creating pointer array or array of pointers like this. You already have int a of 4. You are creating a pointer array int p of 4 like this. What does this p contains? P holds 4 different addresses. Address belongs to whom? They belong to some integer numbers. Same way, here color of 4 is a pointer array. It holds some addresses. Address belongs to whom? Address belongs to some strings. Which address? Starting address. So, starting address of this string blue is kept in color of 0 index. Starting address of this red is stored in color of 1. Same way it continues. And when you want to print them, you can print them like this using color of I. The name of the array with index 0 if you give this string blue, you get index 1, you get red, and so on. Okay, this is one way of creating array of strings. Right. This is not a 2-dimensional array, it's a single dimension array only. Okay, see, it indirectly the meaning of this statement means there exists a string somewhere like this B, L, U, E and a null character. Let that address be 300, 301, 302, 303 and so on. The starting address is 300. Okay, there exists another string in the RAM. In your RAM, there exists another string red, R, E, D, null character. The starting address can be 456, then 457 and so on. Like this, you have 4 different strings in 4 different locations. Okay, that you are trying to club them in a single array. What you are trying to do? You are trying to create a color array. Name of the array is color. It is storing 4 addresses. What addresses? Here it is storing 300 because it is the starting address of blue. Here it is storing 456 because that is the starting address of red. Here it may store 703 because that is starting address of orange. Then I may have 1414, that is starting address of yellow. Like this, in a single pointer array, in an array of pointers, in a single pointer array, I am storing some addresses. Right. So, when I want to print first string, I can use color. Okay, I can use color. Right. Color of 0 if I give, see, color of 0 if I give, I will get blue. But if you want only L, for example, somebody wants only L in this blue UE, you want to print only L. In that case, you can use color of 0, that is in the first string, the first character at first index. Color of 0, 1 means it will give L as the answer. Now tell me, from this data, what is the output of color of 3, 2? Can you guess what is the answer of this color 3, 2? If I write C out color 3, 2, what will I get? Color 3, 2, what is the output? right? Color of 3 2, see color of 3 points to yellow, because this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. In that second means the character L, in that the second means yellow, YELLOW, this is indexing 0 1 2, this is 2, that is L. So answer of color of 3 2 is L. Color of 3 points to this location, in that second one means the in element at index 2, that is L. Okay, this is how it works. I hope you understood now how it is a 2-dimension array, right? Next one, create array of strings using 2D array. This is straightforward. Again same example, no change, no pointer. I have taken a 2D array here. See 4 rows, it means I have 4 rows like this. I have row 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 10 columns. It means I have 10 columns like this. Okay. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Till 9 we have, this is a matrix, a 2-dimension array, color of 4, 10. Now, how are these strings stored? This is one way of creating array of strings. How is this blue stored? It is like this, B, L, U, E and null here. Then red, R, E, D and the null character here. Then orange, O, R, A, N, G, E and a null character here. Same way yellow, Y, E, L, L, O, W and a null character here. Okay, right? So this is how a 2-dimension array of we are storing array of strings using a 2-dimension array. Using 2D array we are trying to store array of strings. This is the pattern. Remaining, see once you have here, this all can be garbage values. We are not worried about these empty spaces there. Null characters encountered means our string is over. Now it is again same way. If you remember in 2D array, when we solve problems in arrays, what is the name of the array? Color. Where is color pointing to? If you write C out of color, it points to this first row. Color plus 1 will point to the second row. Color plus 2 will point to third row and color plus 3 will point to fourth row. Same principles of a 2-dimension array are applicable here. Okay, you want to print, suppose you want to print red, you can simply write color of 1, it will give you red. Okay, and again here also you can apply the same 2D kind of thing. You want to print, suppose color of 2 and 3. What is the value color of 2, 3? Can you tell me what is the value of color 2, 3? If I write color of 2, 3, what is the output? Just guess the value of color 2 of 3. Any guess? Color 2, 3? See, color 2 means it is pointing to this row. In this row, color of 3 means index, see this third index means n. N is the answer. Okay, this is how we create array of strings using a 2-dimension array. Let us see the next approach, that is using string class. Using string class. Okay, third one is using string class. Again here is again you declare here, this case you see you are creating a character and a 2D array. Here you are creating a pointer. The third one is using string class. So I wrote string color of 4, string color of 4. Again it is same as your 2D array. Okay, it is same as a 2D array, but the size is not limited. Okay, the length in this case, if you see, when I say color of 4, 10, it means I can store 4 strings, each of maximum length 9. When I say color of 4 and 10, it means each element of I can store 4 strings, each of length 9. Why? last character is null, right? That null character exists. So when I say 10, each length of each string can be 9 here. In this case, that's a drawback again. To overcome that, we go for the third approach. You can only write string class color of 4. String class color of 4. Here the length of this particular string is no fixed, it can change. You want to store a lengthy one, you want to store a small one, you can do that. That is possible using this string color of string class. Okay, using string class we can do that. String color of 4. How is this again accessed? Same as your pointer. No, this again, this color of 4 means it's an array. 4 elements only. What are those 4 elements? It stores the addresses. Address of blue, address of R, address of O, address of yellow. Those are stored here. And you can access them as it is. Okay, same as your pointer array concept here. Okay, color, it's a string, it has 4 elements, because you can store only, always the definition of string is array of characters only. Okay, that's why this blue, in that the starting address of that blue will be stored here 100. There might be a string like this B, L, U, E, something with 100, 101, 102, 103 and so on. That addresses we are storing here in this color of 4. But how you declare it, unknowingly you are trying to use a string class or a string data type you are using, and the advantage of this is there is no limit on the length of the strings. Even there is no limit in this case as well. In this case as well there is no limit, because you are trying to create pointers. But instead of declaring this, I can write here simply string. If I give that string, it is easy to create. Then this is STL. I will again using STL, that is vector, like we have seen map. This is vector. I will just leave it now. We will come back this once we study STL part, that is there in our second half of our syllabus. Then we will understand how we have so many standard template libraries like vector, map, hash, dictionary and so on. Okay, using that also you can create. This I have just kept it. Again, this is a using array class, like string class there is array class. Again this is a STL library. We will again skip this, and this is about how these two we will see it later once we study the standard template libraries. Okay, but other ways of creating array of string, one way is using pointers, then using a 2D array, and the third one using string class, right? These three are sufficient for now. Those two we will see it later.